G'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady. Welcome to another WasabiCars video. Welcome to 2019 proper. And in today's video I've got a couple of very clean and mostly original S15 Nissan Silvias. I hope you're going to love it. And I think we all know who loves the S15. It'd be those drifters. No, not people who wander from town to town. I mean people who drive sideways. Hey, I mean some people do what they want with their car and other people realize that they are custodians, but I don't want to start anything. Both approaches are right. My disclaimer aside, you probably are justified in writing shots fired in the comments. Heck, while I'm hating on so-called car enthusiasts, I may as well pick on people who reverse with the door open. Yeah, I am being a bit harsh, but I do have to thank the guy for popping the bonnet and sharing the Autech goodness, and for answering my questions. Funny side note is that although I can ask some good questions in Japanese, I can't always understand the answers. Best practice is to smile, nod, and when you get home do a bit of Googling. And what else did I see? Oh yeah, I saw this Varietta down at my local shopping centre, and I do see quite a few of these around, well quite a few, half a dozen or so. We will be getting to today's feature car very shortly, but if spotting interesting, unusual and even boring cars around Japan is your thing, do be sure to subscribe. Also click the bell to be informed of new and live videos. And speaking of Style A, which we of course weren't, I've got one right here. It is a variant that I don't see too often at all. You'll notice the front's a bit different, the rear taillights are a bit different, the interior is different also, you can just see the leather seats. And yeah, this sophisticated styling package was aimed at the more mature car enthusiast. Well, the time has come to pay the tax man a visit. In this case though, it's Total Automobile Excellence, and they are a network of dealers located in northern Kyushu. Yeah, still here, just admiring. You know, I wouldn't normally stop and take a closer look at an S15 if I saw one for sale by the side of the road, but that colour really caught my eye. They call this colour Aqua Silver, and I'm just going to assume it's rare, seeing it's the first time I've ever seen it. Though I did read on the internet that it is rare, so I guess it's official. Now, seeing as this car is for sale, we have access to some information. And here are the basics. It is a 1999 Nissan Silvia Spec S. It has an automatic transmission. It has 74,300 kilometers on the clock. One owner. No, it doesn't come with a one owner. It has had one previously. And the current price is 55 man. That's 550,000 yen. So go to Google and type 550,000 yen in US dollars or Australian dollars, New Zealand dollars, etc. It will give you the approximate price in that currency. So what I'm trying to say is, don't ask me. So did you see those scratches? And I'm sorry I don't have the ability to bring that to you in 4K, though thanks to Patreons I may well do one day. And to Patreons, there is a new video up. It's very cool and there's some info. Go get it. Anyway, on the rear right quarter, this car has suffered some major scratching. And ironically, I think it was done to the car when someone tried to care for it. I have no idea how they might have done it, but I just hope that they never did it again. And how's this for weird? I would have it as is. I wouldn't even try to fix it. It's, you know, authentic battle damage. Oops, there was something that I wanted to show you. It's up the front. And yeah, right there, it's got a pair of genuine Nismo horns. And that is no bull. And now making a comeback is question of the day. So the big question is, if you were to buy this car, what would be your plans for it? Would you leave it as is, fix it, modify it, drift it, drop it from a roof? You let me know in the comments below, that would be awesome. And if you haven't subscribed, do so. Click like, tell a friend, do all that, that would be very much appreciated. And if you haven't noticed already, I really do like this song. I'm trying to really squeeze my videos into it. So everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next Saturday. Goodbye.